Okay guys, this time I will put my packages from anak pohon Depok Sleman Yogyakarta. This store we buy this seeds of Ginkgo biloba chewy, like this. Okay, 2GR. This is a kind of fossil. This is the kingdom diffusion class order family genus species. We buy six pieces. To unboxing this, very simple. Okay, this is very simple. This is the protectors. The lock from both sides. Better we open from here. This is shorter. This is shorter than this. Is bigger. It has a seal. So better we open from here. Okay, empty. This is the things. We open this. Okay. Wow. Cool. 6 pieces. This is the things. Let's open this. Oh, very cute, beautiful. Ginkgo biloba tree, 6 pieces. This is the things, 6 items. Okay, perfect. Thank you for watching.